Hi everybody, Brian here from quantlabs.net. This is a new Quant Analytics Dashboard walkthrough tour of what this basically this dashboard looks like. So you'll get this here when you log in, Analytics Dashboard. Click that at quantlabs.net/academy once you can get logged in. If you want more information on the detail of the whole thing, just click on this tutorial here. It's a tutorial page, Binance Crypto FX CFD Trading Quant Analytics Tutorial. Then we get the video of this walkthrough tour. And here, if you want to get into more details on your memberships, click on this to log out, this for the details. We also have details on the secure chat, which is a private chat server that you should participate in. That's where I post a lot of information. Here, I break everything back down to asset class, so I'll show you some examples of this. So we have here analysis on stock and equity. Right now, the active ones are Forex, CFD, which is like I said, a poor man's gateway to the commodities market, indices market, that sort of thing. Crypto, and as I said, Forex. So we have here Forex, so clicking on that will take you to basically detailed videos of how my analysis, hopefully for the day, you can just watch it there. These are can be either hosted on AWS or YouTube, which are unlisted, which means that they're not available for public. Here we got futures, stock equity, which aren't really active. I have here my video playback, so these are from past webinars. So essentially what I used to have available to the public, I don't think I'll be making those available public anymore, so they'll be put here so you can get all the latest video playbacks of all the webinars I've been doing. Also, as I said, we have an options section, and then we get into these sections here. So let me just show you the crypto analysis. Here's the highlight, manually generated. So in here, it's similar to the videos I've shown with, let's say, MotiveWave or my own Python scripts. So you can watch those anytime you want. And they do get announced on the private chat server. That's why I have the private chat server. There's an Android app available for it as well that you can use from the proprietary software I use. So you'll be able to stay on top of it 24 hours. So unfortunately, there's no Mac version, but what does that matter? Android pretty well dominates the world market. And as I said, there's a difference between manually generated and generated systematically. So what that means is you can put your email and whatever name and download the latest version of that. That's all the latest scripts that I make available. Every day, every couple hours, who knows. And then here we have the same thing, same format, which are CFD analysis tables and Forex analysis tables. Okay, so let's get into the social media area as well. We have the econometrics. We have an Instagram account. We have our Facebook group, which is it's the programming group. Hopefully you're part of that. Instagram charts, if I put those up. YouTube videos, obviously, for the YouTube channel, and different events which point to my events page on Facebook, and sample crypto analysis, I'll probably remove that. So that's pretty well all that. A lot of people have been asking about signals. So what I'm planning to do is there's a section I totally forgot that the important part of MotiveWave, if you choose to get MotiveWave, which I'm in sync with, you have a repository. So that basically means I can upload all the latest files to this repository, so you'll have access to it. So for instance here, depending upon what I'm looking at, I can just look at my analysis here, and this enables me to get the latest analysis files that I automatically publish to this repository. So you'll get access to those files in your MotiveWave environment, so you can, they're basically there for get, if you choose to go with, let's say, a WANDR for now with a version 2 API, which it doesn't really matter, you're just getting access to the repository of my MotiveWave. So you get all the latest combos of if it's CFD or if it's Forex or whatever it is. So that's pretty powerful. So that from there you can get access to the analytical files and the analysis files from MotiveWave, and you have the exact same files and charts and everything I've looked at and shown in the videos. You have access to everything I post, and it's synchronized with what I've got at that point, or at least when I publish it. And we have the same thing with cryptocurrency. So this is a very powerful and probably a much more powerful way to connect with my MotiveWave, because you will get the latest analysis files and be able to build out your own trades from the analysis files, as long as you have the same edition, what I have, which is obviously the Ultimate, which is pretty pricey, but it's really good to be able to stay in sync with my MotiveWave on my end, and then you can get the exact same setup as what I have via this repository feature. Now, sometimes we may get other people that may have their own analytical files, so they can upload their analytical files as well. I'll have a video on how to do all this on the tutorial page that I've highlighted in the Analytics Dashboard. So that will take place here. So you can get all the, at this page right here. So you'll be able to get all the information and tutorial how to do all that MotiveWave repository feature stuff by visiting this page. Hopefully that'll be it, and hopefully you enjoy it, and thanks for watching. Have a good day.